Bubble sort works by comparing neighboring elements in the list and swapping them if they're in the wrong order. It keeps doing this until the list is sorted, which means every element is in its correct place. With each pass through the list, the largest or smallest unsorted element bubbles up to its correct position. Swapping occurs when adjacent elements are out of order. If the second number is smaller than the first number, they are swapped to move the smaller number towards the beginning of the array. This process is repeated until the array is sorted. Here's a simplified explanation of the process. Start with the first element of the array. Compare it with the next element. If the next element is smaller, swap them. Move to the next pair of elements and repeat steps 2 and 3. Continue this process until the end of the array is reached. Repeat steps 1 to 5 until no more swaps are needed, indicating that the array is sorted. We start with a list of numbers. We're going to loop through each position in the list. Within each position, we'll compare adjacent numbers, except for the last one. If the current number is greater than the next one, we swap them, putting the larger number to the right. After we've gone through all the positions, and made necessary swaps, we print the current state of the list. So each time we go through all the elements, the largest, unsorted element bubbles up to the right end of the list. We repeat this process until the list is fully sorted.